welcome back to another video. Today I have the second part of the X58 PC. Basically, we're going to be swapping out that crappy old i7-920 for a 6-core Xeon today, and we're going to also be overclocking the absolute bejesus out of it with this cooler that was also the original cooler, but actually maybe we won't be overclocking the bejesus out of it because this is kind of like a crappy cooler, but we'll see what happens. We also have this GTX 970 that I picked up for 50 Aussie dollars. Now, if you ask me, that's a pretty damn good deal if I do say so myself. And yeah, we're also going to be chucking it in this Cooler Master Box Lite 5 that I reviewed on the channel. You can check that out in the cards. That may or may not be thermal based on my hands. I totally wasn't shooting up on it. We also have the cheapest RGB controller. You can check that video up in the cards as well. And then we also have this crucial BX500. No, we're not doing a WD green SSD today. Apparently people were getting annoyed at that, so I decided to go with the crucial SSD. Also got that Silverstone power supply. Someone said in the last X58 video, you better not chuck that 700 watt crappy good power supply with something crappy. And I'm like, hell no, I ain't doing that. So we're gonna basically, yeah, we're going to be using this Silverstone 4 modular, 600 watt, 80 plus bronze, pretty good. And I may or may not have also bought a new camera. Sorry about it. Anyway, I think it's safe to say that we can get this build going.
Very important to change at a lower speed initially.
Alrighty, so with all the benchmarking done, all the overclocking, and all the everything done, I guess it's safe to say that this computer is a good one, because it has 6 cores and 12 threads running at 3.9 gigahertz at only 1.3 volts. And yes, it may or may not be getting up to 80 degrees, but that's fine. Xeons are fine. It's all good. Don't worry about it. We also have the cheapest RGB setup because why not? And the remote's not going to work for me right now, so that's great. And what was surprising was when I took off the front panel and the side panel, it dropped a whole 10 degrees, so it was like 60 degrees. So that's pretty. That's a bit of a difference. So Cooler Master, I hate you for making this front panel acrylic. Just saying that much. Funny story with the RAM, I thought I broke one stick because I may or may not have dropped it, and so I kept it out, and then I was just like, oh, I guess I'll test it. And it works, so we've still got the 16 gigs of RAM, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, the GTX 970 is also definitely no slouch in today's games and all that. Superposition, getting around 60 FPS on medium, so that was definitely pretty damn playable, even though it's a benchmark, but don't worry about that. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you liked it, feel free to drop a like. Oh wait, that's a dislike. If you want to drop me a like, feel free to do that down, it would be about like there maybe. And then also, if you want to see more content like this, let me know down in the comments as well. Do that, I guess. Alright. See you in the next one, guys.